And before we race, we're going to do the customary Carwow sound check. Go on, Chris, can you rev your bike? Can we have a listen to it? God, that sounds like a car. That is really, really kind of like deep and angry sounding. Danny, let's have a listen to your MotoGP bike. I've got a feeling it's going to be louder. That sounded the meanest. Obviously this is electric, it doesn't make a noise, so I have to make my own noise, as is like the norm on a Carwow drag race if you're racing an electric vehicle. So here we go. That was my version of a Superbike.